everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I did a set of short gel nails. I just put some gel colours over my nails. These are some new colours that Miss You Beauty had sent me. So really what I wanted to do is just try out the colours and see what they looked like, and they also sent me some chrome powders as well, so I was very excited with that. So to start off with, I just applied my base coat, which I cured in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went on to applying the gel polish. So the first colour that I applied to my thumb here is Miss Beauty 01. So it's like a lovely nude, pinky nude colour, more of a brown nude than a pinky nude. And then on my forefinger I had Miss Beauty 03. So this one is definitely more of a pinky nude than the other one. So I just applied them on my nail. I just went in with one Miss You Beauty 1, one Miss You Beauty 3 on each of my nails, and I cured them in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And so now I'm just going in with a second coat of those gel polishes, and again I cure them for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So with my top coat I just apply a layer of that to my middle finger and my ring finger, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in with my chrome holographic powder and the English rose gold chrome powder from Miss You Beauty Nails, and then I apply another top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So as you can see, this chrome powder is holographic and it is amazing, and it's one of my favourite powders ever. And then this is the English rose gold powder, and it just makes my nail look bronzy gold. It is beautiful and I love it to bits. So in the with these chrome powders you get the applicators as well, and you always get 2 applicators with each chrome powder that you receive. And yeah, so I'm just applying some top coat to my nails now, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So the holographic chrome powder is on the website for £20 excluding VAT, and the English rose gold chrome powder is on the website for £15 excluding VAT. So don't forget that I do have a discount code for you all to enjoy 10% off your order, off your entire order. And also what I'm doing is I'm just applying some cuticle oil to my nails, and this is the final look. So yeah, like I said, don't forget, I will leave all links in the description box below for you to check out. Don't forget that I do have the discount code as well, which I will put down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.